How to add app to Launchpad on MacBook. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Tap on your Launchpad icon in the dock and now search for the app by typing its name in the search bar at the top of Launchpad. If it was installed via the App Store or added to your applications folder, it should show up here automatically. If an app does not automatically appear in Launchpad, you can manually add it by following these steps. Open Finder and go to the Applications folder. This can be accessed through the Go menu in the top Finder bar or by pressing the Shift command plus A option. Find the app you want to add and simply drag the app icon from the Applications folder to the Launchpad icon in the dock. After dragging the app to Launchpad, it will automatically be added. You can now tap on the Launchpad icon and find the app listed there. So, this is how you can add app to Launchpad on MacBook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.